I'm well, thank you.
How are you feeling?
My health good. I'm asking about Pakistan.
Thank you.
Our brother, our sister.
Thank you for your support during floods.
We are doing
Medical
nothing.
team.
We are
and,
doing nothing.
No,
It is our home.
And I
It is
mentioned
our
this,
people.
collectively in my speech today. I said many leaders are sitting here, and you were one of them who supported
Yes, you
Pakistan
said it, yes.
at this point in time. We are deeply obliged, and Pakistan will never forget the Palestinian people. We will always mention Palestine as long Palestine is, in this world is in this.
By the way, we never forget Pakistan, not now, since 100 years.
Absolutely.
Before your independence.
Absolutely.
The people of Pakistan, if you remember Mufti Palestine,
Yes.
he was living there.
Yes, that's right.
Till he passed away, they were paying for him money to live.
Independence of Palestine is an article of faith with us. Like Kashmir.
part of our iman.
Yes, you said it.
من الكلبي يا أخي الكريم.
نعم.
يا رئيس من الكلبي.